In today's video, I will be showing you a quick way to adjust your columns and your rows with this hack here in Google Sheets. So if you're working with a large dataset and you want to adjust the size of your columns to fit the values within your cells, usually what you would do to adjust those columns and rows would be to click in between those borders where these lines are located. If you double click, it will auto adjust the size of your column to fit the values within those cells. Let's do it with our row right here, and there you have it. But doing so with a large dataset can be a task. So what we can do is to go to this corner right here. If we click on this, we would automatically select everything on our spreadsheet. And in doing so, we have selected all the columns and rows. And if we click on the same border between our columns right here, if I double click, it will readjust the sizes of your columns to fit all of the values within those cells. There you have it. And we can do the same thing with our rows. So again, since everything is still selected, we're going to do the same thing and double click between our rows right here. And there you have it. We have quickly adjusted the sizes of our columns and our rows to fit all of our values within those cells with this quick hack here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.